All right, guys, so once you've already taken off the fan shroud and gotten the battery off, guys, I would probably take the battery off before taking off the fan shroud, because it'll give you better access to those clips that go down there. I mean, I'm able to do it this way, but if you don't have the same experience, you'll also be able to come in through here. With the battery there, it's too tight of a fit, and you're just stuck with this side. Remember, the TCM is gone. So the next step, you guys, is removing the actual fan itself. Not too crazy. There's all these special tools, blah, 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 blah. Here you go, you guys. Here's what I use. I use a 1 7/8 inch wrench. You guys see it down there? Let me get a light on there, you guys, so you guys can see it a little bit better. All right, if you guys can see down there, there's the nut. Here's the wrench, you guys. I go ahead and go in here. See it right there, you guys? Let me go ahead and put it over in a position where you guys are better able to see it, and you'll be able to better see what I'm doing, okay? So give me a quick second, bear with me, you guys, and I'll get to it right now. Let me put it over here, and we'll be able to... Alright, guys, let's see how we're going to be able to take this off right here. Once you have the actual wrench right under you guys, the 1 7/8 wrench, grab a hammer. All you guys have to do is put it at about the 2 o'clock position. Right here, you guys. Just kind of like you're taking it off. Beat down on it while also trying to take it off. So watch. There it is. There it is, you guys. The fan is loose. It's ready to come off. There it is, you guys. The fan is off.